an egg. Excited? Oh my goodness. Look, he's fucking late.
He's unsure. How's it going? Does Ada do this a lot?
In the bathroom vlog, she was like...
Group selfie. Okay. We good?
Did you just whip at my vlog?
Remember how the tour guide was like, "There'll be plenty of time to take photos later"? That was specifically directed to you.
You just... Never mind, because he's gonna talk anytime soon.
Berlin is one of the few cities in the world where there is no police hour, no closing time. Pump out the groundwater until the foundation.
My ex-dad at H&M.
Thanks. Hey Alison, you have a beautiful daughter. I love her. I love her. I love you.
You guys still need to get a divorce, so like... What are we doing tonight?
Shopping.
In a vintage store. I can see you a little bit.
What am I doing right now?
You're picking your nose. So Sin and I, we're just talking about how different English is to German. Like if I saw this in an English textbook, I would have been like Rosenthaler, Platz. But in Germany, and it's like totally different. How would you pronounce it?
Rosenthalerplatz.
Like, what the fuck is that?
Like the third camera where it makes you look very weird.
No, it's on number 1. Wide one. Oh, you're so far away now. Second.
I feel like you're in my face, like you can't see my picture.
Maybe I should zoom in on it. No, it actually having Five Guys right now. It's Sinan's first time having Five Guys. I mean, the fries he really likes. Like, look at them. But it's so good. You love it? No regrets? Money well spent? Hey guys, we just finished class. Everyone hates the fucking camera. Hugh's getting used to it though. Martin loves it.
Yeah, all about it.
All about the vlog life, yeah. And then we're on our way to ice skating and I have a huge road out there. Shit. We're going to be doing a live event today, so we're going to be seeing who's the better liar.
Du noch nicht gut in lie detector
Ich. So lala.
So I just finished class just now and feet my big ass pimple and I need to pick up some shampoo and I might pick up some like just bits and bobs.
Small whole bottle of vodka. We told her to buy 5 little shots.
Everyone was laughing at me. It was ridiculous. You could understand me, and I'm like, ugh.
You know how like when you're lining up
cigarettes with a baby on them. Look at this. This is fucked. Baby. I was like, fuck that.
I love the French. The French are great.
Believe me.
It's not French. Uber.
Uber, because we're gonna make it a mukbang.
I am Solala. Koda is super. Let's fucking go!
I want to shoot myself.
I'm so hungry.
I have a small ding dong.
Scared Chloe away. Scared Chloe away. In like every market. Yeah. The big one of the small. Hot Baileys.
I'm Penny. I'm Kira. This is Caitlin.
Break time. Vlog, they've invaded my dorm kitchen.
I'm sucking my uncle's dick.
Cooking steak, slavery. For him. Lovely person holding this.
Oh.
Fuck, 7 AM. Just finished fucking clubbing at 5. And now we're on our way to class. Fuck, what do I... Can you hear how fucking fucked my voice is? I literally can't even speak properly. Everything hurts. My whole body fucking hurts. What's my teacher's name? Lamar, blah blah blah. He's gonna fucking hate my guts.
Cowabunga, dudes.
It's a fucking slide, guys.
Pardon? Every time you vlog, you drop back 20 meters.
Sinan's pouring me a glass of champagne as my farewell gift.
First.
Can I just fucking...
No, blow it out first. Blow it out.
Slow down.